Hi everyone, it's Tanya from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. I'm here today to review the Plantar Flexion exercise from the ACE Home-Based Exercise Program. The purpose of the Plantar Flexion exercise is an exercise to work the calf muscle. This would be a variation if you didn't feel that the calf raises were working for you. So for this one you do need a resistance band or tube. And what you're going to do is place that right around the ball of your foot. I think it's probably better to have a shoe, but this could be done without a shoe on as well. And then again, you're kind of holding on to that band wherever you feel is going to be an appropriate resistance for you. And then it's as simple as just pointing the toe out and relaxing it nice and slowly. So whenever we're working with these big elastic bands, you always want to think that they're an elastic band and they're just going to try to shoot the resistance back towards you unless you control the movement. So with any movement, we're going to think about slow tempo and relaxing for 2, out for 1, in for 2, and just like that. Again, you can change sides and work the other side, just as simple as that. Please review the disclaimer on the website prior to engaging in any exercise program. Thank you.